There are a lot of programs that have been created for women who wanted to have a sexy body. These programs include weight loss program. This is the most popular type of workout for women. It is designed to help you lose weight and get rid of unwanted pounds in your body by increasing your metabolism. It also helps you burn more calories than any other form of exercise, which helps you lose weight faster. It is very effective because it burns fat quickly and effectively without any side effects. It is also very easy to use and can be used on a daily basis as well to make sure that you do not miss out on some important nutrients. Weight loss program. This is another type of workout that will help you lose weight fast. The main aim of this workout is to burn extra calories and keep you healthy. It is very beneficial for you if you are looking to lose weight fast. The best part about this workout is that it does not require any special equipment or training. If you want to get rid of your belly fat, then this workout is perfect for you. You just need to follow these simple steps. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breathe out. Don't let your body feel heavy. Don't worry about how much weight you have gained. Don't forget to eat right. Drink water. Don't forget to exercise. Do not skip breakfast. You can also try this workout with some other exercises like swimming and yoga. Don't forget to eat healthy food. Do not overindulge. Do not lose weight by eating junk. Don't be afraid to go for a walk. Do not get too drunk. Get enough sleep. Do not stress yourself. Do not take any medicines. Do not eat anything before going to bed. Do not eat anything after going to bed. By varying the intensity of your exercises, consume more calories by maintaining a continuing pace. While working, the athlete's body first burns the stored bread and then starts to turn fat after the bread is consumed. During the fartlek exercise, while the body is attempting to change the carbohydrate store, fat stores are burned in the metabolic force that lasts long after the exercise. Fartleks are a good choice for people that work for their well-being because the fat-burning part makes it a very effective activity. There's more to it than simply firing calories and putting down new strength. There's evidence that anaerobic exercises really target specific types of fat, especially stomach fat. Not all fat shops are made as, and some fat shops are more well converted into life than others. Belly fat is one of the first spots the body can see for easy access energy stores during the HIIT exercise, and in those minutes later. Always wondered why it sometimes looks easier for males to lose weight than females? Well, here it equals. Exercising in the morning before the first meal is a good choice to take fat. Research demonstrates that abstinence, which is basically what occurs overnight as we rest, contributes to increased adrenaline and cut hormone levels, making the environment that is more conducive to the breakdown of fat for energy. If you're not accustomed to that, though, comfort yourself in and leave to be hydrated. Aerobic process is the essence of most stable exercise functions when weight loss is the target. Reason? Because aerobics fires over weight and calories. When you enter in cardio education, you move your metabolism into hyperdrive and rev up the calorie-burning motor. And if you work heavily, you turn fat and calories both within and after exercise. Thus, the response to what exercise you should do to turn fat actually depends on what you can control. The high-intensity distance exercise can turn the fat after it burns the calories, but it's a lot harder to go into because it's such an extreme exercise. For some, going with moderate level training would facilitate the process. Moderate level has a different meaning for everyone dependent on the starting point, but it may range from the brisk path to swimming. That more is understood. Aerobic process burns fat while you're practicing, but anaerobic thought without oxygen process burns fat at those times, hours and days following exercise, as your body recovers from your workout. Consider the life prices of those two actions during the exercise session, as some studies have wiped out the past, and the aerobic process seems to consume more fat, which can explain why many health and fitness professionals still recommend it. This is because the metabolic rate of an individual's metabolism depends on how much energy he or she consumes in a given time period. If you are not consuming enough calories, your metabolism will slow down and you will lose weight faster than when you were exercising. The best way to burn fat is by eating healthy food. The most effective way to do this is by eating foods that contain high amounts of fiber. Fiber helps keep your blood sugar levels low and helps you feel fuller longer than usual. Fiber also helps with digestion and prevents constipation. Fiber can be found in fruits and vegetables like carrots, broccoli, spinach, etc. Fiber helps prevent constipation and keeps your bowel movements smooth. Fiber also helps reduce inflammation and improves bowel health. Fiber also helps with weight loss. It's important to eat a variety of different types of foods, including whole grains, legumes and nuts. Fiber helps lower cholesterol and triglycerides. This is good news for those who are struggling with diabetes or heart disease. If you have diabetes, try eating more fiber-rich foods such as green leafy vegetables and fruits or lean meats. Fiber can help keep your blood sugar levels low and help you feel fuller longer. If you're overweight, try adding some fiber to your diet. Be healthy and be smart.